So hey, welcome back to part 4 of the video. Didn't really want to make it into a 4-parter. I'm sure it's probably going to be more than a 4-parter, but yeah, I just wanted to let you know the difference between knit salt and not knit salt, the difference between pod systems versus non-pod systems, the truth that only got half white, that the rest of it was all a lie and stuff. So yeah, here's what your device is going to look like. Real slim, real small. This is going to be a little light up there that tells you, you got power going through it. This is where it connects to the charger. This is where you put your JUUL pod in there, obviously. So here's your charging device. Some cons about this, lots of cons. Right here, this plastic that protects the USB, very flimsy, cheap, garbage plastic. First con about that. Now, to put it in, it just goes on with very strong magnets. I will tell you that. The magnets are strong. I mean, obviously, we'll do this, but you can feel it, like, while I'm pulling quick. So yeah. Now the design is kind of garbage, because who is going to have, a thing that's going to put in like this? Maybe onto a computer, but most of us, we have our things to the side, which is going to be like, this way, put into a wall. The only way that I know is to really charge this thing up is to get yourself one of these, a little, like phone charger pod thing, and just put it in like this. This is the only way that I could feel that's possibly that you could charge it up. I mean, you try charging this in a car, so design for the charging base and that connects to the body is a garbage design. So that has a flaw right there. If they would have made it where it's like just